Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the two functions find and search. Both are used to get a position of a string in another string. The major difference between these two is that find function is a case sensitive and search is not case sensitive. This is the sample cases. We can find n in A2. A2 is the reference of that cell. We can see in the second example, we can find the place of wood in this line and it is coming over here. The starting position of wood is 14. And again we can see the woodchuck is also coming. If we can ignore the first one, so we can give the starting position by which they can search the second position of the word. This is the syntax. It has three arguments: search for, search to text, or starting at. Search for is the word which we want to search. Text to search, in which the string or the reference of the cell where we want to search. And this is actually optional. If we will not assign, it will take 1 by default. The character within the text to search at which the start will begin search. Let me give you some practical examples so you will understand in better way. So I have written some word or lines over here, and these are the searching strings. We want to search the position in these particular strings. So let me start by typing the syntax of the function is find. We want to find this thing, so I will give the reference, and we want to find in here. Here we are not assigning the third argument, which is the optional. Press enter and you will get the 5. So let me check the position of tuto, VEER, Veer, and these are the 4 letters, and it is starting with the 5th, so the position is getting proper. Now we can type in small case tuto, press enter, and now you are getting error, so it means it's case sensitive, we cannot use it. Now in the same way we can search the tuto using the search, and this is, and here it is also finding the 5th position. But now if I type the small, it is giving us the result. If we want to search which require the case sensitivity, so we will use the find function, otherwise we will use the search function. Another example is also written over here, the find. I want ri and I will give the reference, so it is giving me 9, and here we will check the third option's importance. In this line, the V tutorial and the V tutorial is written 2 times. We want to search the position of Veer string, so let me find out Veer, then giving the position, and this time I will put 1. So it is giving me the 1 answer because V tutorial is written in this line in the first position. Now I want to start that particular search after this V tutorial. So how many letters are there? 4, 8 and 12. So if I mention here the 12, press enter, it will find the next available string in this line. I hope you understand the importance of the third argument. And now we will use the wildcard. I want to search Tudor. Here I don't know the spelling of Tudor. I don't know whether it is A or O or E. So I put wildcard question mark. It means it will replace any word. I want to match these words only, not the TOTR. Let me see whether it accepts the wildcards or not. I will put find. I want to search this one. I'll give the reference of this field, bracket close, press enter. No, we are not getting the answers. If I change it to TOT like this, so I'm getting the answer. So now let me check in search. I am searching for this one. This is the reference, bracket close, insert. Yes, it is accepting the wildcard. So these are the example for find function and the search function. Do the practice. If you have any query, feel free to give me the comment. I will try my best to give the answers as soon as possible. Thank you, friends.